Hey, entrepreneurs! Welcome back to the channel where we help you turn your ideas into thriving businesses. And today we're diving into one of the most crucial steps for any successful venture: how to identify a profitable niche for your business. If you're ready to find your sweet spot in the market, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of a larger market where you can focus all your efforts to serve a particular group of customers. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, you target a smaller group with a unique need. Think of it as finding your own little corner in a crowded marketplace. Identifying the right niche can be the difference between blending in with the crowd and standing out as a go-to expert. So, why does a profitable niche matter? Simple: it's easier to become an expert, build a loyal customer base, and charge premium prices when you're serving a specific need. But here's the kicker: not every niche is profitable. You need to find one that not only sparks your passion, but also has market demand and the potential to make money. Let's break it down. Your niche needs to sit at the intersection of three key factors: something you love, something people need, and something they're willing to pay for. When you hit that sweet spot, you're on the road to success. Alright, now let's get into the actionable steps you can take to identify your profitable niche. Identify your interests and passions. Start by listing out what you love to do or talk about. Passion fuels persistence. Research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and social media insights to see what people are searching for. Analyze the competition. Check out who's already serving this niche. Is the market saturated? Or is there room for innovation? Validate your idea. Survey potential customers. Run a small ad campaign, or create a landing page to test interest before fully diving in. Evaluate profit potential. Consider pricing, margins, and how much people are willing to pay for what you offer. Remember, a niche isn't profitable if it doesn't make you money. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when choosing your niche. Going too broad. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on a specific audience with specific needs. Ignoring the numbers. Passion is great, but without market demand and profit potential, it's just a hobby. Not testing your idea. Don't skip validation. It's better to tweak your idea early on than to waste time and money on something that doesn't work. And there you have it, folks, your roadmap to finding a profitable niche for your business. Remember, it's all about combining your passion with market demand and profitability. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your niche ideas or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and keep growing your business.